This is your aura. A beautiful reflection of all that you are.
They say success is about luck, but the truth, it's about preparation, resilience, and having the right tools at your side. I'm Maps Maponyane, entrepreneur, presenter, investor, and creative. And this is my Lenovo Smarter Story. Today, I want to share what I've learned about personal branding, entrepreneurship, and thriving in the gig economy. This isn't just theory. I'll be working on the brand new Lenovo ThinkPad X9 Aura Edition, the latest tool I've added to my tech workshop, just like I would in my real-world workflow, showing you practical ways to take your career to the next level. Your personal brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or corporate professional, how you position yourself matters. With AI-powered tools like this, I can jot down ideas on the go, optimize content, and engage with my audience more effectively. The ThinkPad X9 Aura Edition even suggests ways to refine my messaging. We live in an age where starting a business is more accessible than ever. You don't need massive capital, you need an idea, a digital presence, and the right tech to execute. With AI-enhanced tools, I can structure my business plan in minutes, analyze potential markets, and collaborate with global teams, all from a single device. The gig economy is bigger than ever, but the key to success is managing your time, clients, and workload effectively. AI helps me prioritize high-value tasks, ensuring I stay productive without burning out. If you're juggling multiple gigs like I often am, automation is your best friend. Success isn't just about working smarter, it's about staying secure. The ThinkPad X9 Aura Edition's AI-driven security keeps my data protected at all times. And with built-in AI security, I don't even have to worry about data breaches, giving me peace of mind while I work from anywhere. The future isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to empower us. Whether you're building a brand, launching a business, or managing a growing career, AI-powered tools like the ThinkPad X9 Aura Edition can take you further, faster. With a strong personal brand, the opportunities are endless. And with the use of AI-powered tools, the sky is the limit. Your personal brand is your reputation, and your reputation in perpetuity is the foundation of your career. With Lenovo, let's build the future together.